It's Professor Dave. Let's learn how Italians tell time.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
We just learned how to divide the year into months and the week into days. But for any individual day, it is common to need to know what time it is. This can be described generally like morning, afternoon, and night, or more specifically with the official system of time that the world uses. Either way, let's go over some of the words and phrases you will need to know in order to tell time. As we know, each day can be broken into different sections. First, there's alba. Alba. And then mattina lasts until noon. Mattina. Noon itself is mezzogiorno, which literally means middle of the day. Mezzogiorno. After that, there is pomeriggio. Pomeriggio. And then sera, which is used until bedtime. Sera. Once in bed, it's called notte. Notte. And midnight is mezzanotte. Mezzanotte. These words have plenty of applications, but certainly we will sometimes need to tell the exact time. This is pretty intuitive, but one thing Americans will have to get used to is the 24-hour clock, as this is used at the airport, train station, on TV, and other official reports of time. After 12 noon, instead of going to 1 p.m., the numbers keep going up to 13, 14, and so forth. So to get the p.m. time, just subtract 12. That means 17 o'clock is 5 p.m. However, the system Americans are familiar with is also common in casual interactions. The word ore means hours. So to ask what time it is, we can say, "Che ora è?" or "Che ore sono?" "Che ora è?" or "Che ore sono?" Someone could respond to this question with a word like mezzogiorno or mezzanotte. They could also respond with a number like è l'una. È l'una. Notice that this is singular. Other numbers require a plural article. Sono le due. Sono le due. Sono le quattro. Sono le quattro. Sono le otto. Sono le otto. This can be taken to be a rough estimation. If intended to mean precisely on the hour, we can say something like, sono le tre precise. Sono le tre precise. Or, le tre in punto. Le tre in punto. If there are some minutes to speak of, we just state the corresponding number. 17:25. In English, we sometimes say things like 1:45. Italians do this as well. 1/4 of an hour is un quarto. So we could say, sono le 10:15 to mean 10:15. When it's 10:45, we could say, sono le 10:03. Or alternately, we could say 11 meno un quarto, depending on whether we prefer to add 3/4 or subtract 1/4. If it's the half hour, we could say sono le 10:30, which means 10:30 or 10:30. We can also do this with increments of time that are not quarter hours, like saying sono le 10:10 or sono 10:11. Let's go through a typical daily itinerary for our friend Franco from his perspective. Alle 6 mi alzo. Alle 6:15 faccio la doccia. Alle 7 faccio colazione. Alle 8 Esco di casa. Alle 9 ho lezione di matematica. A mezzogiorno faccio il pranzo. Alle 2 di pomeriggio prendo un altro caffè. Alle 5 di sera incontro gli amici. Alle 9:30 faccio cena. Finalmente alle 11 vado a letto. Now let's see if you can do it. Check out this clock. Che ore sono? Perfetto, sono le 3:20. Bravo. Let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.